Welcome back to this exciting video for developers where OpenCode has posted yesterday that OpenCode DeepSeek version 4 Flash free for a limited time. So don't miss this opportunity for all developers and users who would like to use DeepSeek version 4 Flash for free. DeepSeek version 4 Flash is currently our most popular model in Go. Give it a try if you haven't already. As you know that DeepSeek version 4 Flash is in trending and it is a very good powerful model to use it, and the price is compared to other like Claude and other agent is very low, but the open code made it free for a limited time. So let's try it. First of all, you need to install OpenCode. So let's move to the opencode.ai, this website. If you would like to download it for Mac, Windows or Linux, so you can simply press this download button, but you can use the CLI or the extension on VS Code also. For the CLI, simply copy this npm command and use command prompt to install this. I have already installed this. So now let's try it. So this is an empty folder. To open the CLI tool of OpenCode or app, you can simply, I have installed the app also, but I will use the CLI tool. Simply right click and open in terminal this folder. You can see the path. Simply to run OpenCode, write OpenCode and press enter. It will open the CLI tool of OpenCode. We will use and see the power up DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So just wait until the end to see the power of this AI tool. So let's write models. After moving to the models, you will see here at the top DeepSeek version 4 Flash for free. If you didn't find it here, simply search for DeepSeek. After searching it, you will see free. Look at the free is written with that. So OpenCode made it free. DeepSeek version 4 Flash. Select this. After selecting this, now let's create a dashboard. Create a React and Tailwind CSS modern dashboard with charts. Simple like this. In a single line will create a very good stunning dashboard for us. Let's press enter and wait how it is building the dashboard for us. Just check the result of DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So first of all, it will install the Tailwind CSS, the React project, and the recharts. It will do everything and install it by its own self. After installing it, it will create the project. Then we will just run it and see the result. So it is completed creating the project dashboard for us, as you can see. So it says just simply move to the folder and run npm run dev. So let's run it. Okay, as you can see, it has created all these files, and now let's open this folder inside VS Code. So the folder name was OpenCode. So let's select folder, open terminal, and write npm run dev. Press enter to run our application. After running that, let's control and press this link. So locally it has just displayed the result, or we can copy this and run it inside the browser. Simply where we go, paste that here and press enter. You will see the dashboard here. Look at how beautiful this is, the charts. Overview. These are the cards. Everything is perfect fine. But if you want to add more features, simply move to the terminal and add more features to that. So it was all about this free tool by OpenCode. So just enjoy it. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment. It will motivate me to bring more videos like this. And subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.